We heard about LMB just through some online Google searching. We hadn't had any experience of people who'd done loft conversion in the area. So we went online, we looked at a few, and the reviews for LMB were really excellent on all the different Trustpilot, Check-A-Trade, Google reviews. We thought it was about time to get some extra space. We've got 2 small children in the house, and you can feel the need for some extra bedrooms. And I think part of it was that we've always had this loft space, and neither my husband or I have ever particularly spent time up there or were storing much up there, and we wanted to really make use of the space. In particular, the house is on top of a hill, and just having the loft conversion at the top gives us the opportunity to put in these amazing windows and have this incredible balcony. So we're really making the most of the view that we've got from being up so high, and now we can see out over the valley, and that makes a big difference to how much we enjoy being in the house. We would absolutely recommend LMB to anybody who's thinking about getting a loft conversion done. The whole process was so smooth. It was so well coordinated. Everything ran on time. Were all handled really smoothly and really thoughtfully, and everything lined up really nicely. So the finished product is something that's really beautifully aligned and coordinated. It just feels like it was all done by one group, which is exactly what we were looking for when we got in touch with LMB.